You're not afraid lizard jump in her head?
This is our little story and a true thing. Two hearts come together in a mutual win. Keeping it together with a real life. Welcome to the family, this is our life. It's perfect. I just sent you here for me. You're the sugar to my tea. Meet the Mitchell family.
Hi guys, we're going to school now.
Morning MTM. Dropping the kids to school right now. The first thing in the morning. And I just want to big up all of the parents that keep up with all of these things that the kids have to be doing at school. Every day is another thing, and sometimes it's not easy. The science projects, jeans day, costume day. It's so difficult, people, but I know there are parents out there, like ourselves, we try our very best to keep up with everything that's going on. Today's ice cream day, but I don't have any cash in my pocket to give you guys. So I might have to go back to school at some point in the day with the money so they can buy some ice cream when the ice cream truck comes. But yeah, big up all of the parents then who go above and beyond the call of duty.
Totally you wear a pink one. Atlas, you're wearing a pink one too. So you can't say anything, Atlas, because you're in a pink mask too.
It's just a mask and a color is just a color. Whether it be pink or purple or blue.
I want blue.
Hey, stop knocking that.
Hope
Hope you have a good day.
Oh, there's so many cars.
Speaking of school stuff, yesterday, Jackson, where did he go?
Lucas, where? The synagogue.
Be quiet. Jackson went to is it the only synagogue in Jamaica?
Yes, I think it is.
Right, so he did a field trip yesterday. I remember field trips when we were younger. It was always exciting.
Yes.
To go out on the road and bus
and it was, but for me it was so funny coming back.
Atlas, head out the window. Atlas, get your head inside and sit down. Atlas, sit down. Wind the window up. Thank you. Alright guys, have a good day today, okay? As you wind up your window, as you have a wind up your window, you wind down your window with him too.
Very special.
Come, open the door. Alright. Alright, Ozzy?
Yes.
Just me and you, son. How that sound?
What is cars doing? What are the cars doing?
These cars are dropping off children to school.
No.
Yes. Yes.
What's up, Daddy? There's another car.
Mm-hmm.
There's a car faster than this.
What?
Car faster than me.
Go faster?
Yeah. Go faster, Daddy. Go faster.
No, bro.
Go faster.
No, I have to stay within the speed limit, bro.
Drive faster.
What do you think is Fast and Furious this?
Drive faster. Drive faster.
No, buddy.
Drive faster. Drive faster.
Got the boys together today. MoMo came early as well, which was great. I've been having a lot of lightheadedness. It's coming to the time, I tell you now. Waiting on Auntie Tessie to come and have a coffee with me. A lot of you been asking for her and where she's been and stuff. She's just been so incredibly busy, but you know, we talk every day. You know, me and her start our day every day with a hour-long conversation. Yeah, that we do. So she's actually coming here today, so I'm excited. We have to talk about the nursery because she's going to help me to set it up. So, yeah. Pray for me, y'all.
Yeah, me just sit there away my mind if me for eat a East Indian in front of owner. But me I say, one mind there tell me say no bother torture them, but then the next mind I tell me say me not eat no East Indian in my new kitchen and torture owner. So here goes. East Indian a day, keep the bad vibes away. Tami,
Yes.
how some parents do it? I was just saying in the car, big up to all of the parents and that keep up with all of the things that school require, you know, the projects, the jeans day.
I'm not that parent, let me tell you, I try my best, but God no, it's rough.
No, it's rough. It's rough to keep up with all of them.
Keep it in your brain.
And to keep it in your brain, and then a lot of times is your work. The projects are given to the kids, but is you end up have to go get all the supplies and remember say them have to wear a green full suit of green, and the next day is Jamaica Day. And
there's so much happening this week that you don't even know about.
There's so much happening that I don't know about. And remember me tell you, what me know about stress me. People, yesterday alone, if I was to do all of the pickups and the drop-offs for the whole day, I would not be able to do anything else but drive to school and back. I kid you not. If when you add Alex into that mix too. And then here we are we crazy to have more kids? Jeez, I'm crying. I know people, if life allowed us to with a adapal picnic too,
It's true.
if we had the resources to do it, because there's something about parenting. I don't know, probably just build feet. We'll just build for the challenge.
Although sometimes you don't feel so.
Yeah, it's not perfect, you know, but trust me. Big up all of the single parents, man. Jeez,
Big them up, yes.
because a lot of it is allowed to be shared with the father and the mother, right? To make it easier. And some people don't have that for them reality.
And we have the added bliss and blessing of MoMo.
We have the added blessing of MoMo, and then we have like grandma's. Right now, I'm not telling like grandma, I forgot to go up on my payroll. Because she retired now, you know, so I forgot to put her to work. Honestly. And she enjoys it too, you know, helping out. Yeah, it's rough, people, but it's rewarding at the end of the day. Trust me.
Yeah, when you do it, them to do it. That's
When-
like Bonnie when picnic, I'm grateful and stable and do amount to nothing.
Anyway, I focus on my mango now. Like how the whole time I focus on my mango.
You know what, they don't drop out their mouth yet. Give them a look funny. Look who made it! That was so good though.
So nice. I feel like I'm in foreign.
We could be in the hills of Ocharias.
Look, turn it around.
Hold on, let me show you the view.
wow.
Watch here.
You can't tell me something that they are Ochi. MoMo, me not they are Ochi. Who they? Hold on. Ray. Look at this beautiful thing that we got from our first cousin. Isn't this
Oh my
lovely?
god, I'm just seeing this clock.
Mitchell's kitchen. I want to hang it right here. To have a little Isn't that beautiful? I love
Something
it.
that would go nicely here as well.
Yeah,
This is awesome.
that's from
Where'd you get this?
Fontana.
I love it.
And then look at this, guys. And then I just put my creamers in these nice little jars, which are great.
What is this?
Wow. Oh, gate opener. Yeah. Nice. See?
Tami.
Oh, and hello. Watch out, it'll come out of the thing there.
Nice. Hey, mom.
Sometime now.
Did she just kick me or was that you?
Maybe me.
Okay.
Okay, so we're setting up now to head on the road, just to get a couple things, including masks. I'm out of masks for the boys. I literally had to give them their spare masks that were in their bags today. So I need to get masks, but I also need to get a plant for that corner, which I wanted to get. But yeah, I still have some. We have to go pick up the crib at mom's, because I left it there. Oh, should we show them this? And I'm definitely getting this
You know what
frame.
this is?
There. That's
This-
one of our pieces.
This is a piece of our parquet floor that was here. So people just so to know we're not ungrateful and we don't forget what the original house layout has done and the memories and stuff.
And
We're gonna-
Paul, our barber, gave us a really great idea. He said, frame a picture of how the house used to be.
Yeah, how the house
and put
used
it
to
up
be.
too, you know?
Yeah, so baby girl can grow up and know say. But I mean, we have all
I
the
just love
footage
it.
on YouTube. Hello.
We do, but it's a nice.
But it's just a nice thing to kind of immortalize this because a whole heap of footsteps and a whole heap of
Oh, wait, I'm gonna cry. Stop.
memories.
Oh, wait, get my outfit.
Hello. No man, you're not doing no justice when you sit down, Tami. Wow.
Oh, you want me to model?
Wow. Wow. OMG.
Has pockets?
Tami, I'm not tell you no lie. And I say it all the time. There's something about you in this phase of pregnancy that I have never like.
I look different now than when I was pregnant with the boys. Don't it, Momo? Me look different pregnant with a girl than with a boy, don't it? Hey, you see when I'm pregnant with a boy then? Talk about my nose, Maureen. You remember it usually sprawl out in my face. I still have a license.
Tami, stop it.
Where the promise you?
I like
My
it.
foot is a little swollen, yes, Mom.
I like it.
So come down to the time. But
Yeah,
yeah.
360.
Oh, okay. Here, Maureen, but Lego the girl. Lego the girl.
360.
Oh, what kind of 360
That man said glitchy.
You nearly tripped.
Alright, come, let's go. Let's go.
Oh, we don't
Smooth
have
time to pick
time.
up as
Oh my
usual.
god. Lego the girl. Lego the girl.
Lego the girl. She's back, people.
And everybody's just gonna say, why Lindsay agree with Maureen? Look how she come back and she just look young as
All the while, no sir, that's a regular news now. Every time she go away and come back.
Still use that. Because she said no, the house pretty like she. True? I'm pretty. You're beautiful.
Favor young girl still, you know.
No, Maureen, really.
Lego the girl.
You're too feisty.
Who faced it? Me
You're asking
pull
if
this.
you can pass through that.
I pull this, I'ma see it lock back. Because I pull it because there's no way Tami can go through
You're
the half of the grill.
Watch
Come,
me, and you can't fit through it.
I mean me can't
Let
fit
me
through.
pass.
Watch her now, watch her now.
No problem.
Okay.
You're feisty. You pass
Okay.
down now.
What do you mean?
You can't pass straight away. You have to try.
You can't pass straight to my shoulder broad, hello?
Yo. And not just any yo-yo, a yellow yo-yo.
Tami insisted that she go for him today.
Hey, how are you? Good, nice to see you. Thank you.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Boozy.
Oopsie. Oh boy. Okay, this might be the last. I've been not doing this, but I was so adamant to do it today. And now I'm like, I can't do this. Oh boy. Yeah, no. I mean, I don't know who I'm fooling. Wayne was like, no, I'm gonna get him. I was like, I can go and get him. It's not a big deal. Woo! I feel like I just ran a marathon. Hi, honeybs.
Hey, Mommy.
Here, you want some of this? Have a little juice. Yeah? I don't have any. Him no said nuggets and fries, and him said gits and fries.
Get some fries?
Yeah. Is it good?
Yeah.
Here, let me push a straw out for you. Come. Birthday, best one. No, walk one.
Yeah.
The best of the best for me.
Alright, so we'll stop at Best Buds. You know, one of Tami's favorite place. If I add some, yeah, mama, come out. If I add some green and some life to the new space, so you don't know. The Best Bud stop was a inevitable stop. If it was for man alone, there wouldn't even be plant shops in the world.
Guess what, Wayne?
Cause you know we can do.
I can't pick up and go drop it off before I pick up the kids.
What do you mean?
Them too small.
What do you mean? So wait, I got the lay down. You can't lay down.
No, they got put one years.
Oh. See?
Next time birthday, meeting with your back. Don't worry about the plan. So you're back there.
You're not afraid Lisa jump in her head?
What's that? These are the one favor.
These are the things that men.
Wait, watch his taxi.
What do you
Side
mean?
of you.
I don't see him already.
Okay.
These are the things that men don't do, right? Only women do these things.
I'm balancing another one on my lap.
Full up the car with beer flowers.
Oh, alright, careful. Oh, but guys, this is to go in the kitchen. And we needed it, Wayne. Remember, I said these things. Oh, something dropped?
No.
You sure? They're more in the trunk. You know, this is a, let me tell you something. You see this car, thank God. A lot of you are asking how we're going to configure everything. I think, so if I get it's a 7-seater, so we have another row. So on the days when we have the baby, and Oz is going to be in a booster, because he fits the height and weight requirements. Oz is over 40 pounds, by the way, just so you know. And he wears, you know that Oz is wearing 40 clothing now, right?
I know.
Oz don't turn 3 yet. Anyway, my
want
point.
to see the 3 teeth on him, not even a way him that can pass through.
Squeeze him, it look like a midriff. But yeah, so we will do the car seat and the booster in this row, and then we'll have a couple more seats. Yeah, so it'll be fine. But I was saying that this car is just
when we're
such
done,
a
we're gonna need the
blessing.
highest. That is it.
It's been such a blessing this whole time with all of the up and downs that we had to do with, like the hardwares, the back and forth. It carried tile, it carried lumber, it carried pipe, it carried everything, furniture. When I tell you, say,
Can't beat the powder, man.
believe you me, it was just what we needed when we needed it right on time. And now we're going to have a.
You can't tell me, couldn't tell me my face they cut off.
I know you always accuse about this thing, and look there, lean like what? And you always tell me, say, me, lean up the thing.
You lean because me have to drive and I do a
I
bad
have to
thing
hold
and
a hot
balance.
plant, it have water in there.
Jeez.
This is lucky bamboo. And then I have
mega lucky
and then I have the fig.
And then my bamboo got lucky.
Oh my God, not that. The man dropped the people them lunch. You might got deliver it, you know.
Gee.
So yes, I got a fig, and then I got something named what do they call it? Defend your back?
Huh?
I don't think
I never ever hear what they say.
It sounded like defend your back. But it's probably like a defend my back. Defend your back.
Okay.
Or maybe it's a Jamaican name for it, named defend your back. That's so funny.
You know we're supposed to go and pick up the kids too, right?
I know we're
Tami
so
full the
late.
car with beer plant. Now we're gonna have to drop off the thing them up at the yard, then go back on the road for the kids. That man, let me tell you.
You want to put them around the back? But then they won't be able to see.
That not gonna make no sense, right?
Meaning if I had to pull up that row, I could. Oh no, but there's another plant around the back.
Yeah.
Okay,
So-
it is what it is. You're late some days. My mother used to forget me at school clean. So there you have it.
See, you see, love take show off, bring disgrace. Watch it. Don't squeeze up my daughter, you know.
Oh no!
Gee, watch your belly. Watch your belly. Gee.
The belly button wipe off the wall.
Watch your belly on the wall.
Can you see his hair? Oh, Zaya! Hi!
Hi, Zaya. Hi, Zaya.
She come in here like, this is not what I'm expecting.
Yeah.
Was she surprised?
She's already said, I'll go get the big
Hi! Mommy! Hi! Oh my goodness, it's good to see you.
Yo, Tessie, you went ahead and had Moana.
The littlest Moana girl.
Look
Look at these curls.
Oh my goodness.
Beautiful. Zips. Notice you don't bother. Then we undo it again.
I want her to eat it.
Oh, this is the Lego box.
Eat it.
Gee. No, sir. Cousins for life. Watch her snuggling your people. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Honestly. No, sir. Guys, I've never seen Atlas in this mode. And I can just now imagine how he's going to be with his sister when she come. Him not go rough with our people.
He is gonna be, but he's gonna love her as well.
Him not gonna love her up. He's gonna love her up. Watch him, man. What you whipping up?
My gosh, I thought we were leaving the house again. We didn't get anything done that we said we were going to do.
That may I try and make him
Oh
know.
my word. I hit the easy button on dinner today, guys. I'm doing okay, my kids haven't had a box mac and cheese for years. May I pray so I eat it today.
Okay.
Because tell you the truth, I was just like, if I do it with some garlic bread and maybe some wings or something, then we eat it. So let me see.
But Tami, and really our fault, you know, we have a problem, people. Hear the problem we have.
Yes.
Hear the problem we have. We're not try to say, you know what I'm saying? But
We just are gonna say it.
we're gonna say it same way. It's when people come here, they don't want to leave. To all the place nice. To all the place set up nice. It's like they can't believe. Them just there and say no.
They can't believe them can't leave.
Can't leave. Them take off the B and can't leave. You understand?
Aww.
But it's a joy if you know say when people come in the place it feels it's not it feel welcoming, it feel home again. It's not like what for worry I wonder if people are gonna say, yo, no, the place don't feel livable. People,
It still feels like our home.
it still feels like home. People love it. Anytime?
Yeah, we're blessed. And I mean, it's just like Tessie and a couple of close friends we're talking.
Yeah, so no offense, but
People who couldn't leave even when it was
Exactly,
before. No, it's
exactly.
not, we're just being funny.
exactly. But yeah, man, no man, it's been a joy to live and cook and yeah, it place feel nice, people. Trust me, place feel nice.
We
But
do have to get diapers for the baby.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
So
We're gonna take a one trip
Yeah.
to my favorite place that we went to already today.
Can you guess where?
Fontana.
Okay. Yeah. Real MTM. I didn't
It's
know.
Fontana.
Yeah.